What's up, YouTube? Jeff back again today. Another very exciting Samsung video for you guys. And today we're going to be talking about an issue that a lot of you guys have been reaching out to me about, not only in the comments, but tagging me on social media, like over on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, about the green lines issue affecting Samsung Galaxy phones. Now, there is an opportunity if you live in certain regions to get a replacement for those phones, and it ends on April 30th, which is about a week away. So I want to make everybody aware so that if you're in one of those regions, you can go ahead and submit the claim so you don't miss out. Before we get started, I do want to thank my son, Jonathan. He gives us some dinos to hang out in the video. Today we have the green Spinosaurus, and we've got the orange Pteranodon right here. Always looking fierce. We always appreciate Jonathan giving us some dinos in the video. Also, if you are new to the channel, or even if you've been around for a while, make sure you check the alpha link regularly. It's always got the latest videos. You can sign up for our newsletter. If you are in the US, you can also get in our mystery box program by signing up for the newsletter. You'll get a free case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand when you pre-order a new Samsung phone through one of our affiliate links. We'll be coming up for the Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6 mystery box program very soon. And of course, the Galaxy S25 series early next year. You can also find my website, other random stuff there that we post. It's in the pinned comment description if you want to check it out. So last year, there were a lot of issues with this green line problem on some older Samsung devices. And so it's somewhat important to be aware of this because of the fact that if you want to buy a used Samsung phone, some of these older models suffer from this. And so it is worth, noting that you might have this issue if you purchase a phone from an individual, like on Swapper, or you purchase a phone from, refurbished, something like that, of one of these models. So here's some of the posts. Tarun has posted this and documented it very well over on Twitter. This has also been documented by some of the other outlets, and a lot of you guys have reached out. Here is the kind of gist of it. This green line started appearing on S22 series devices after the update in April, it looks like. So you can see here the S22 Plus late last night. He's got the green line issue here. You can see right there appearing on his device. And it seems like this might have happened after the April update. And Tarun actually documented this 3 days ago. You can see here some people sent him in some issues where they did the update, and now they've got that nasty looking green line. Now, I haven't seen this on my S24 Ultra. It's relatively new, of course. I haven't had any issues on my S23 Ultra or my S22 Ultra, which are all US unlocked models. I still have the S23 Ultra and the S22 Ultra, and I haven't noticed any issues. But if you look at his thread here, there's a lot of people here chiming in saying that they do have this, overall issue and that they've been seeing it. So if you look through here, there's a lot of people who do. There's also a couple people who don't as well. Now, if you are in this situation, and here are the affected models, by the way, the S20 series, the Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra, S21 series, excluding the S21 FE, and the S22 Ultra. Those are the ones that are eligible for a free replacement one time for these models within 3 years of purchasing. If you experience the green line issue, even if your warranty is expired, this is in Samsung India only. So you can actually see here from Samsung support. Tarun documented this. You can see this is in India, though. It is not here in the US as far as I know, or other regions like the UK or Europe. But you can see that they have all of these different things where if you troubleshoot it fully, and you can see their applicable list of models, all the S20 series, Note 20 Ultra, S21 Ultra, S22 Ultra, 3 years of the date of purchase, and you can see you got to go through these troubleshooting steps, and then you'll be able to kind of send this in to get it replaced. So this is something that multiple people told them, and Tarun, he kind of documented this a little bit in his thread. I think they need to add, obviously, the S21 FE here, as Tarun said, and I think they need to expand this to additional countries because there are people here I've seen in the US as well as in the UK and Europe, and I'm probably a few other regions I'm not thinking of. I get so many comments about this that have told me they have this issue and wanted me to talk about it. So I would encourage you, if you are in India and you have this issue, or heck, even if you don't have this issue, if you have any minor defect with your screen, I go ahead and get it replaced before the end of the 3 years. So since they're offering the free, warranty, they probably aren't going to check it that rigorously. That's just my personal opinion. I would try it. No harm if you can't get it replaced, but why not? And then also, I would love to see Samsung, if they're watching, go ahead and offer this to other regions so that other people can get this replacement who are having this issue. So fingers crossed this doesn't start coming up with the S23 Ultra, S24 Ultra. Of course, we still have some other issues with the S24 Ultra, including the grainy screen, which people have been wanting me to talk about for a while. I'm going to make a video about that eventually. I haven't experienced it on my device, but I know people are very passionate about that. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're in India, I hope this helps you so you can go and get that screen replacement if you need it. Like, comment, subscribe with the notification icon. Stay tuned for more great Samsung update news on the channel. Check out the alpha link for the latest video. Sign up for that newsletter. Get it on the mystery box if you're here in the US. Appreciate you guys checking it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.